Hello cookbook friends and welcome to the Cookbook Divas YouTube channel. My name is Katie and today we're going to be looking at Everyday Dinners by Jessica Merchant. So I didn't know who Jessica Merchant was. I don't know if you guys do, but she started this blog. It's called How Sweet Eats. It started in 2019, so I was a little young and I wasn't really trying to cook very well at that time. And she's she's created more cookbooks. So this is her most recent one. And I was super curious why it took 3 months for me to get this cookbook. And I was drawn to it personally, not because of Jessica Merchant, but because the soup looks amazing. And I was like, I just need to see what else is in here. And plus, everyday dinners means weekdays and I'm super busy, so maybe these are easy. But learning more about Jessica Merchant, I was like, I like her. She loves food. She's not shy about it. And she wants us to eat tasty food, healthy food, and not to be afraid of food. I really love the message and I think she's really awesome. So I will make sure to post her blog down below in the show notes so that you guys can check her out more intimately. So again, I want to know what everyday dinners looks like for Jessica Merchant. So we're going to just dive right in. And immediately, who doesn't love roasted Brussels sprouts? And that looks like gorgonzola cheese, and I personally love it, and I think this would be awesome. Wow. Already, I'm sold. So we have sauces and dressings. Hopefully you guys can see some of this a little bit better. We've got meatless meals. I know a lot of people are starting to try to at least add a meatless meal once or twice a week, or even more. I'm trying to do it at least 5 days a week, so that'll be helpful. And it's quite an extensive list. We also have poultry, pork, beef, seafood, and side dishes for your chapters. And again, the photography, just really phenomenal and just, it's really gorgeous. This salad looks just so good. I could eat it right now. I love that she has a introduction and sharing herself and her secrets. She also has a 10-minute meal prep rule in here. So one of the first things I see in here is I want variety and I get bored. That's me. I don't know if you guys are like that too. I hate having the same foods every day. So like Sunday meal preps are really hard for me because a lot of people will have the same meal all week and I just can't do it. So let's go into some of the things she provides. We've got fridge essentials. There's like I like that she has said what to expect in her cookbook so that you're not surprised. I like that she's very open-minded. She encourages us to be ourselves and to do cooking the way we want. So we have very beginning kind of your small tiny recipe list. So like pickled onions, pickled garlic. We have like weekly tomato confit. That looks beautiful. All of those things will get incorporated into the larger recipes later. So I will find, and then we even have like salad dressing. So this is the citrus vinaigrette on the salads. Very good. I know Carrie doesn't like the salad dressing thing. I do because there's less sugar when you make your own salad dressing and less salt. Just an FYI. So we've got an avocado orange salad. That was that picture that I was like dying for. This looks super easy and awesome. So what we have here is she breaks this down in very detailed. So we've got just your basic recipe kind of towards the top with all of your ingredients. She also has in the corner for most of these recipes kind of a 10-minute meal prep idea, what you can do. So like the vinaigrette can be made ahead, and even the granola. So there's like Marcona almond granola that's supposed to be in the salad. She says you can prep both of these in 10 minutes, and basically the rest of it is chopping vegetables. So that's really helpful for those of you that are very busy and just really need to kind of do things ahead of time. And that's included in everything. So like we have a Tuscan cheese tortellini soup. It's also got a 10-minute prep right here. And it has like, here's the vegetables you can cut, put it in the fridge, keep it there until you're ready to cook it up. And also, just like your greens, you can wash and store them separately in the fridge so that in case things kind of get mixed up, you want to have certain vegetables separated. And she even includes like notes. You can do leftovers, or you can have it saved for another time. You can save the broth. I just really like that she's very detailed. Here's how we can utilize this recipe, and here's how you can make it throughout the week without stress. We have broccoli fritters. This looks very tasty. Puff pastry pizzas 2 ways, veggie edition. Very good. Cheesy lemon orzo. This would be just really, really quick to make on a weekday. Ooh. Smashed broccoli fried rice. That looks really pretty. And there's not a lot of ingredients in here, and it's super easy. Plus, this is probably one of the first fried rices I've seen that actually kind of looks healthy. So that's really cool. We've got chicken thighs with creamy mustard pan sauce. Again, it looks fancy, but it's actually quite simple to put together. Sheet pan cashew chicken. So again, I really like that she has a variety of different flavors throughout her cookbook. This isn't just one international dish. This is like many, many dishes or mixed or fusion dishes throughout the cookbook that it's just really nice to have on hand. Ooh, I'm wondering what this is. This looks really good. It almost looks like another pan pizza kind of dish. We have, let's see if I can find it. Oh, it is. It's a prosciutto pesto pistachio puff pastry pizza. Yum. Very good. And then we have a chipotle bacon and blue cheese Dutch baby. Ooh, that'd be really good for breakfast. So let's see if I can find any desserts in here. There's a lot, I mean, like I said, there's a lot of variety. The photos are beautiful. The organization in this is really interesting. One thing I forgot to mention in here is I like how she has, let's see if I can find it. For her serving sizes for some of these recipes, she has basically like if you want to have this recipe as a side, this is how much it serves, and then if you want it as a main, it serves a different amount. So like the cheesy lemon orzo, it says serves 4 as a meal, but then it can serve 6 as a side dish. And that's really helpful for those of you that just want multiple kinds of things in your dinners and whatnot. Like you could have a salad with this as well and have a little bit of mix there. So that's really helpful. I just think overall for families, this is just a really helpful cookbook. There's a lot of variety. There's different, it exposes you to different fruits and vegetables, and it makes cooking really easy, meal prep really easy. And if you're on a time crunch all the time, this is going to be super awesome. So this is Everyday Dinners by Jessica Merchant. Check it out. Cook a few recipes from her blog. Decide if you want to try actually buying the cookbook. I definitely think this is one that's going to be on a lot of people's bookshelves. So check it out. It's so good. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and comment and like down below. It really helps us out to see what we're doing well and what cookbooks you want us to look through next. If you want more cookbook content, come check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. We try to post a lot of brand new cookbook content, and that includes on our blog. We like to post on every Friday. It's our cookbook weekly roundup. So we try to give you brand new cookbooks of the week, and hopefully it'll inspire you to go back into your kitchen and cook some awesome meals. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and have a fantastic day.